So for this project, we're going to be using the Van Gogh mixed media paper. And then for the ink, I'm going to be using the Amsterdam Acrylic ink in both black as well as the deep gold. So using a paper cutter, we're going to cut down the paper to about 2 by 6 inches. So first I'm going to lay down my guide sheet, and then I'm going to put my Van Gogh paper on top. I have my laser level here that's going to help me to keep my baseline straight. So then once I do that, I'm just going to adjust my paper so that it goes, so my baseline is going to be slightly under the middle of my paper. Then taking my ink jar, I'm going to apply the ink on top of the nib as well as on the bottom. I'm going to leave a little bit of room on this side because I'm going to add a ribbon at the end, and then we're just going to write out the name in calligraphy. So you can keep it black on white, which is a very classic look, or I'll be showing you how to add some metallic touches using the Amsterdam acrylic ink to give a bit of shine to this bookmark. So if we look at this name, there's going to be 3 different areas where I'll be adding the metallic touches. It'll be in the beginning, off of the G, and then off of this B, because there's a great space here we can fill up, as well as the end. So if you want to just keep it like a flat place card, you can just leave it as is, and you just want to make sure to cut off the left part of that place card so that it's centered. But I just want to show you guys how to add a ribbon so that maybe someone can use this as a bookmark. So here is the final piece. It's such a great way to add a personal touch to your gift or to create something for your loved ones.